kitchen. Today I am making crispy fried chicken. So for that I am using here 500-gram chicken breast and corn flour and pepper, 1 spoon pepper and 1 teaspoon salt, chili powder 1 teaspoon and a pinch of MSG. For chicken marination, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 spoon of salt and chili powder and little MSG, and mix it gently. I marinated very well, so I am keeping for this 1 hour. After that I will fry it. For frying chicken I am here using half liter oil, so it's already done. Now I am going to fry this. Now I am coating with corn flour and I am here using water. Why? Because you will get a nice coating. Just dip in water and then again coating with flour. Already chicken done. I'm taking from this. Drain it. Continue the same process. Now I fried all chickens and save with tomato ketchup and have.